Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus the Apple ecosystem. We'll dive into how each platform approaches productivity, integration, and user experience. Notion provides a highly flexible and customizable workspace, allowing you to build almost anything you need. On the other hand, the Apple ecosystem offers unparalleled seamlessness across its devices, making daily tasks incredibly smooth. Let's explore which one might be the better fit for your specific needs and workflow. Notion truly shines with its incredible customization capabilities. You can design your workspace exactly how you envision it, creating bespoke databases for projects, personal wikis, or intricate task managers. With more than 50 content blocks available, you have the power to integrate various types of information seamlessly. This adaptability makes Notion a powerful tool for individuals and teams seeking a highly tailored productivity solution. The Apple ecosystem is renowned for its effortless integration across all its devices. Imagine starting a document on your iPhone and seamlessly continuing it on your Mac, or copying text on your iPad and pasting it on your MacBook. Native applications like Notes and Reminders work in perfect harmony, ensuring your information is always up to date everywhere. This interconnectedness provides a smooth and intuitive user experience for everyday tasks. So, which one is better for you? If you crave deep customization, complex database management, and a workspace tailored precisely to your unique workflow, Notion is likely your champion. However, if you value unparalleled ease of use, seamless integration across all your devices, and a cohesive native app experience, the Apple ecosystem will serve you exceptionally well. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and how you prefer to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.